The journey of premium guava processing begins here, in vast orchards meticulously designed for optimal growth.
Cultivated in nutrient-rich soil, these trees are monitored daily to ensure the fruit reaches peak maturity.
Agricultural experts select varieties known for their high pulp content and distinct aromatic profile. Agronomists rigorously inspect the foliage, ensuring the health of the grove remains uncompromised. Sunlight and irrigation are balanced precisely to foster rapid development and sugar accumulation. Advanced irrigation systems deliver water directly to the roots, conserving resources while maximizing yield.
Harvesting is performed by hand to protect the delicate skin of the fruit from damage. Workers select only those fruits that have achieved the specific color and firmness required for processing. Once collected, the bins are immediately transported to the collection point to maintain freshness. A preliminary sort in the field removes any fruit that does not meet the strict size standards. Logistics teams coordinate the rapid transfer of the harvest from the orchard to the processing facility. Temperature-controlled trucks ensure the guavas remain cool during their transit to the factory. Upon arrival, the facility serves as the central hub for cleaning, processing, and packaging.
Receiving docks are designed for rapid unloading to minimize the time the fruit spends waiting.
Raw material handling begins with a systematic weighing and tagging process for traceability. Automated dumpers gently release the fruit onto the intake line, starting the continuous production flow. Initial separators use air currents to remove leaves, twigs, and light debris from the batch. The fruit plunges into an agitation tank, where water turbulence loosens surface soil. Rotating brushes gently scrub the skin, ensuring every guava is free from contaminants.
Skilled technicians perform a visual inspection, removing any fruit that does not meet quality criteria.
A final high-pressure rinse ensures the fruit is perfectly clean before it enters the processing stage. Depending on the final product, the fruit may undergo mechanical peeling to remove the outer skin.
Inside the pulper, precision blades break down the fruit structure into a coarse mash. Screens and sieves separate the valuable pulp from the seeds and fibrous material. Byproducts like seeds are efficiently diverted, often repurposed for animal feed or composting.
The extracted puree is pumped through a network of sanitary piping to the next stage of refinement.
Enzymatic treatment helps to break down pectin, adjusting the viscosity and texture of the puree.
High-speed centrifuges clarify the juice, removing fine solids to achieve the desired consistency.
Operators monitor critical parameters from a central control panel to maintain product uniformity.
Decanters use centrifugal force to separate the remaining heavy solids from the liquid juice. Pasteurization is a critical step, using rapid heating to eliminate bacteria while preserving flavor.
Precise temperature control ensures the juice remains safe for consumption without cooking the fruit. Immediately after heating, the product is rapidly cooled to lock in the fresh taste of the guava.
In large blending tanks, the guava base may be mixed with water or other ingredients.
Powerful agitators ensure a homogeneous mixture, distributing natural sugars and flavors evenly.
Final filtration polishes the liquid, removing any remaining microparticles for a smooth finish.
Homogenization breaks down particles to a microscopic level, preventing separation in the bottle.
The finished juice is stored in sterile holding tanks, ready for the final packaging phase.
Automation takes over as empty bottles are sorted and aligned at high speeds.
Before filling, each bottle is inverted and air rinsed to ensure absolute cleanliness. Rotary fillers dispense the exact volume of juice into each bottle with millimetric precision.
Anti-drip valves ensure a clean fill, maintaining the hygiene of the production line. Caps are applied and torqued immediately to seal in freshness and prevent contamination. Robotic feeders supply the line continuously, reducing the need for manual intervention.
Samples are regularly pulled from the line for comprehensive testing in the on-site laboratory.
Scientists measure sugar content and acidity to ensure the flavor profile remains consistent.
Microbiological tests confirm the effectiveness of the pasteurization process.
Incubation tests are conducted to verify shelf stability and long-term product safety.
High-speed labelers apply the branding, wrapping each bottle in the final product identity.
Precision rollers smooth the label to ensure a wrinkle-free presentation on the shelf.
Laser coaters etch production dates and batch numbers for complete supply chain traceability.
The finished bottles accumulate on the buffer table, ready for the final casing stage.
Robotic case packers gently lower the bottles into shipping cartons to prevent impact damage.
Automatic tapers and gluers seal the cartons, securing the product for transport.
For multi-packs, the products pass through a heat tunnel to shrink wrap the protective film. Exterior labels are applied to the cartons to identify the contents for warehouse logistics. Palletizing robots stack the cartons in interlocking patterns to ensure stability during shipping.
Stretch wrappers secure the pallet load, protecting the boxes from dust and moisture. The automated warehouse stores the pallets in high-density racking systems until dispatch. Orders are staged and loaded onto trucks, ready to be distributed to retailers nationwide.
With the cargo secured, the journey from the factory to the consumer begins.
From a simple fruit on a tree to a refreshing beverage, the process is complete.
This is the story of Guava Processing, a blend of nature's best and industrial excellence.